Welcome to Other Levels. Today, you will learn how to create this logistics transportation management dashboard using Microsoft Excel. Join our channel membership, and enjoy the full video tutorial. Visit our website to get the templates or download the datasets other-levels.com. Let's start with the total trips and hired transportation. This is the dataset. Let's insert the first pivot table. Add the numbers for trips as a count in the values field, to get the total trips. Copy the previous pivot table for easier creation. Now we will get the total of hired transportations. We usually recommend linking the text box to a separate cell. Use the VLOOKUP formula to get the hired transportation count. In this video, we will create the text boxes and charts, and then we will create the dashboard in the next video tutorial. The next table will show the details about the trips classification. Add trips classify to the row and values field. As you did previously, link each value to a text box. Next, the driver and buddy wages per trip classify column chart. Select the pivot table, then insert a 2D column chart. Remove the chart legend and make it smaller. Next, we will analyze the cargo types. Select the pivot table, then insert a 2D bar chart. We will get total expenses, salaries, and wages. This table will be used for the donut chart showing the total salaries and wages. Now get the percentage by calculating the salaries divided by total expenses. Select the table, then insert a donut chart. Remove the chart legend and title. It's time to get the expenses by month column chart. Add months in the row field and the expenses to the values field. Select the pivot table, then insert a 2D column chart. Remove the chart legend and make it smaller. Next, the total distance. The next step is to create a line chart to show the total trips by month. And we'll add the ratio of differences between the previous month. And now the total salary and wages amounts for the drivers. Then the total salary and wages amounts, but for the buddies this time. The final step of this analysis is to add 2 line charts showing wages by year, one for drivers and one for buddies. In this last part of the video tutorial, we will create a table showing details for the latest 10 trips. To achieve this, we will use the trips numbering from last to first. Now use VLOOKUP formula to find these details. Let's link these values to text boxes. Finally, we will double-check if we forgot to add any numbers or charts. The dashboard's values are ready for use. Join our channel membership, and you will enjoy the next video tutorial. However, you can easily purchase this template from our website other-levels.com. Thank you, and see you in the next video.